And I was sitting here before I decided to come live. I was sitting here thinking, now, if anybody comes tonight, they gotta be like-minded. I mean, you would only come here because you want credible information. You would only come here because you want to better your future. You want a place where obtaining your dreams is not only acceptable, it's encouraged and it is rewarded. So tonight, for my seriously conscious, financially conscious brothers and sisters, for my brothers and sisters who want to become seriously financially conscious, for my brothers and sisters who are not yet financially conscious, then tonight we're going to be discussing the Fair Credit Reporting Act. I do not care what tax bracket you are in right now. This law was written for you, and it is your friend as a consumer. And because we like our friends, we're going to pick it apart, and we're going to delve in exactly why it's your friend and why you should take full advantage of it. Now, I need to take a few minutes just to put out a disclaimer. This is not legal advice. And I encourage you to go read the law for yourself. Okay, so let's get started. What is it? Well, it's a federal law passed in 1970. And basically what this law says is, I am your friend as a consumer. And we'll talk about why they're a friend in a few minutes. What does this federal law do? That's the second question. What does it do? Well, we know this law, as it is written, this law ensures accuracy and fairness of your private information. That is across all the credit bureaus. That is really literally all across all parties involved. It says that the law ensures accuracy and privacy. All right, guys. So far, we have said what is the law, what does it do. So now let's delve into a little bit about how do they do what they do. All right, now this last part of the law, it is critical, and it is probably the piece that makes the most sense to me anyway. And it's how they do it. How are they able to enforce their law? This federal law, how is it enforced? Well, the law regulates the way they can collect, the way they can access, use, and share. Okay, so here's a recap. The Fair Credit Reporting Act 15 U.S.C. 1681. It is your friend. It is our friend. Okay, so what did we also learn? We learned what is it? What is it? It's a federal law passed in 1970. It was designed to protect the consumer's privacy, to ensure accuracy, to protect your information. And finally, how do they enact this law? How do they regulate the credit bureaus? Well, it's simple. You know, the law regulates exactly how the credit bureaus can collect your information. It regulates how they access your information, and use and share. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the lesson tonight, and subscribe. Come back. We're going to do this every Sunday night. You're going to get a nugget. Hopefully something that will change your life. Give us a call. Visit our website. We'll see you soon.